the class today we have done the cleavage of OH bond. So but whenever there is a cleavage of OH bond is there, then it shows that that it is showing the SD character. And regarding that only few questions are there. Number one, first question that we are going to discuss, that we have to compare the SD character of alcohol and the water. Clear? That means from these two, which one is a more acidic? Okay, now you see all of you please what is going to happening over there when we are comparing this one. This is the alcohol and this is the water molecule. But in the case of alcohol is electron releasing group, so it will show plus I effect. Okay, due to that electron density on the oxygen is electron density on the oxygen is increases. Fine, electron density on the oxygen atom is going to be increase. Fine, then after that, but in this case, in the another case, in case of water, there is no alkyl group. Is there any alkyl group is there? Please tell me, in this case, any alkyl group is there? Only oxygen is there. So oxygen will attract the electron towards itself. Am I right, beta? So what is going to happening there? So here electron density around the oxygen is increases. Due to that, this oxygen will have less tendency to attract this pair of electron towards itself. Okay, so bond cleavage will become difficult. But here there is a hydrogen only, no alkyl group. Am I right? Then what is going to happening over there? What is going to happening over there in this case? This oxygen and the hydrogen bond. Okay, this pair will go towards the oxygen very easily, more attracted towards the oxygen, this pair of electron. Okay, then oxygen hydrogen bond becomes weak. Okay, so cleavage of hydrogen becomes easy. So that is why what we will say, water is a stronger acid, okay, than that of the alcohol. Clear? This was the question number 1 that we have discussed. After that, we are having one more question is there. Question number 2, that is, we have to compare the acidic strength of primary, secondary and the tertiary alcohol. Okay, beta. So whensoever we are talking about the primary alcohol, they will contain only one alkyl group. This is the primary alcohol, and see, this is the secondary alcohol, and this is the tertiary alcohol. So whensoever we are talking about like this, it's primary, secondary and the tertiary. Okay, really sorry beta, this one, just wait, I will explain you. Primary, secondary and the tertiary alcohol. Now what is going to happen there, or what they are saying, we have to discuss the acidic character. Now one thing we are all are knowing very well, there is one alkyl group, there is two alkyl group, there is three alkyl group, and these all are having an electron releasing effect. What is it? Electron releasing effect. Clear? Now whensoever there is electron releasing effect, there what is going to happening over there बेटा, मैंने अभी अभी आपको बताया रियली ये ना एक्चुअली इलेक्ट्रॉन रिलीजिंग है, तो दिस एरो शुड बी या बाय मिस्टेक आई हैव पुट लाइक दिस, बट दिस एरो शुड बी like this way only, am I right? It's like this way only, yes. Okay, now what you will observe there beta, here is the maximum 3 alkyl group, so electron density is increases, all the R is showing a which effect, plus I effect. Again due to the plus I effect, they will increase the electron density around the oxygen atom. What they will do, they will increase the electron density around the oxygen atom, yes or no, and here there will be a maximum electron density, and due to that OH bond, ये वाला जो OH bond है, OH bond cannot attract the electron strongly towards oxygen, means oxygen अपनी तरफ electron, ये pair of electron है, खींच नहीं सकती as a like a previous case, OH bond will remain strong, clear? That is why as the number of alkyl group will increase, electron density on the oxygen will increase, due to that OH bond cleavage will become difficult. Is that clear? So that is why primary alcohol is maximum acidic, then secondary, and then the tertiary alcohol. I hope you all are getting my point. Is that clear to you? Okay, so thank you very much.